Wind tunnels create champions, but unless you have a World Tour budget, you're just guessing. What if the open road became your personal wind tunnel? And every ride an opportunity to optimize? Meet the Wasted Watts Tracker, the world's first device that reveals your aerodynamic drag in real time, right on the open road. Inside this sleek shell, aerospace-grade sensors and centimeter-level RTK GPS. It fuses seamlessly with your power meter to instantly separate the watts pushing you forward from the watts you're wasting. 2% accuracy, real-time feedback in just 5 seconds. And it works. Validated by over 100 professional riders and World Tour talents. But you don't need to be a wind tunnel engineer to use it. Set up, clip it on, turn it on, and ride. Forget complex mathematical protocols. The Wasted Watts Tracker auto-calibrates your mass, wind factor, and rolling resistance on the fly. And please throw away the scale. Want to test a new setup? Hit lap, ride your target speed, and get your aero score in seconds. Test your helmet, your new position, your jersey, or even your Saturday night jersey. We won't judge. The only limit is your imagination.
We spent more than 15 years developing that technology. The mission was simple. Take a very high precision lab technology and make it available on your bike.
We are Aeroscale, a team of PhD, engineer and former World Tour coaches based in the French Alps.
We are perfecting the hardware, but launching mass production requires expensive tooling. That's where you come in.
Wasted Watts. Measure, optimize, win.